How to replace a washing machine knob. You're gonna need a new knob with this little plastic piece and needle nose pliers. So this washing machine knob, like when you go to press it in, this is a GE by the way, washing machine, and you go, sometimes this happens, you go to press it in and then you're like pushing and turning but it won't turn, right? So what you gotta do is take your needle nose pliers, and behind the knob there's like this little plastic piece. This is on there. It's so you gotta go behind here and you gotta like take it off before you can take this knob off. So put your needle nose pliers back there and just try to grab it. So comes off. The reason these stop turning is because like they have little teeth there that they just wear out over time, and you replace it with one that has sharper teeth, and it'll start working again. So you go to put it on, like kind of put it on, but not all the way, so it's not like blocking that hole there. Just kind of put it on like so, like just a little bit, like enough to hang on. And then just go and put it in right there, and then go down and push down on this plastic piece so it sits like so. Alright, so press in, there, face, the whole thing is turning right now. And if you don't have another one of these, then like usually you can just spin the outside of it. If it doesn't bother you, then you just press it in and spin the outside. If it does bother you, that's how to fix that. All good. Like and subscribe.